Hello everyone. How are you keeping? I hope in the best of your health. And as far as I am concerned, I'm doing good too, but I'm stuck in a lockdown again. Yes, in India, we have a second stage of lockdown that is going on, which means that not only am I homebound, but also I'm stuck with limited food resource and other resources. I'm trying my level best to make the most out of whatever is remaining, to have zero wastage or minimum wastage. Welcome to my channel, Mrs. Homemaker. Today I'm going to share with you a very quick and easy recipe, and it's a no bake, no cooking recipe, and you would enjoy making it. It's a savory dip from it's very nutritious and it's very yummy. It's from Middle Eastern cuisine. It's called as hummus. So it just happened that yesterday I had prepared chole bhature. It's a very famous dish from northern part of India, and chole is nothing but it's a curry made with boiled chickpeas, which is enjoyed with bhature. Bhature is somewhat similar to pita bread, fried pita bread, you can say. So I had a bowl of boiled chickpeas that was remaining. So instead of wasting it, I thought, why not prepare hummus out of it? And this is my version of hummus, which does not require tahini. And I'm telling you, it's very yummy. It's very quick again. And do prepare this recipe and share with me how you liked it. So go ahead and watch my video. Do let me know in the comment box post preparing the recipe that did you enjoy it, and you don't require much of ingredients. All the ingredients that are required are easily available at home. So go ahead and prepare it. Thank you. Take few cloves of garlic. 10 to 12 would do. Now take handful bunch of fresh coriander leaves. Don't discard the stem. We are going to use it. Just cut the roots. We are going to get rid of these roots. We are not going to use it, but we are going to use the stem. Stem has a lot of flavor and also nutrition, so I don't discard it. I take the complete strand as is. Gather all the bunch, and now we are going to chop it. Don't forget that you are not supposed to throw the stem. Start chopping the coriander leaves into small pieces. This will help to grind well. Now that we are done with the chopping of coriander leaves, we are going to collect it into a bowl. Collect everything and keep it aside. Take 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. Don't overdo it because it's bitter in taste, so only 2 tablespoons is required. Now we need to roast this a little bit on low flame. Ensure that you don't burn this, because if you burn it, it will give a burnt taste and a bitter taste. So ensure we lightly roast it. take 1 bowl of pre-boiled chickpeas and empty it into the grinding jar. Add the remaining ingredients now. We are going to put the coriander leaves into it, which is approximately 1 bowl full, and this is garlic. We'll put all the garlic inside it. This is roasted sesame seeds. To give it a punch, I will be adding few 1 to 2 green chilies also, and I'll be squeezing in 1 lemon juice. So it totally depends upon you how much you want to take. I like it little sour, so I would go for complete 1 lemon juice. Squeeze it well. Ensure you don't grind the seeds. So before squeezing the lemon, please discard the seeds of lemon and then squeeze. Now I'll be adding approximately 3 to 4 big spoon of curd, thick curd, into the jar. This is approximately 1 bowl full of curd, half tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, and also I like little extra punch of this red chili. So I'm using a red dry chili, or you can also use dry chili flakes as per flavor. So you could add approximately half spoon of it. Now I'll be grinding it first on low speed for approximately half a minute. We will now close to check if it's grinded well. Now, okay, so I'll be scraping off all the ingredients from the wall of the jar and putting it into center. We need to grind it more. I'll be now putting up the mixie on higher speed for approximately a minute or so that the grinding is done well. Closing it. We'll check again. It's coarsely grinded, so we need to grind it more. We want it to be in a paste form, so we have to grind it more. So I'll be grinding it more for approximately half a minute or so. I'll now be closing it, and now we will be adding approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will not only emulsify but will give it a very smooth pasty form. We will mix it well with spoon and then give a final grind at high speed for approximately 20 seconds. We are now done. We will open to check. Oh, it's so yum. It's fully made now and ready to serve. You can eat this with vegetable salad like carrots and cucumber, with nachos or anything, with a slice of sourdough bread or as is. I hope you liked my video. Do make this and share your experience. Thank you for watching.